here's a quick tutorial that shows you how to access your daily lessons in a different way. You can either do it through content, which was shown to you in a different video. The other way that you can do it is through your course plan. Let me switch to student view. So when you're on your main page for 9th grade English, click on Plan, and it shows you the calendar. And so every day it shows you for 9th grade English, it'll designate 9th grade English a certain color, and it shows you what to work on each day. Now notice every single day of the week there is something for you to do for class. So even if you don't have live class any day, and even if you do have live class any day, you always have work to do in the OHS. So let's go ahead and click on, for example, Monday. If you click on it, this comes up, and click More. And it brings you to the lesson that you have to complete for the day. It's the same thing that you access through the content, it's just a different way of getting to it. And so once again, you should be reading through everything that's listed, watching any videos, downloading any links, and taking any quizzes. But everything that you need to complete for that given day, you can find by clicking on the course plan. So I'll go back and show you one more time. Let's say it's Tuesday now and you want to work on the Tuesday daily lesson that you have to complete. You click on it, you click More, and everything you need to complete for Tuesday is listed here. And once again, you read through, you watch any videos, you download any links, and that is everything you need to do for this class for Tuesday. If an assignment is due, the Dropbox will be included on that day. So for example, Friday the 24th, I click on it, I click More. All my instructions are there, the prompt is there, and then the Dropbox is there as well. So you can click on that link to the Dropbox to submit your assignment. If you have any questions about how to access your daily lessons that you're required to work through, be sure to contact your teacher.